Do you want to grow longer, fuller, thicker hair? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 essential tips to help you achieve healthy hair growth. Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 of the essential tips that I use with my client to help on their hair growth journey. So in this video, from understanding your hair type to using the right products and the right techniques, so that you can say goodbye to bad hair days. And with consistency, you can say hello to fuller, thicker, and healthier looking hair. So watch this video to the end and learn how to accelerate hair growth and get the longer, thicker, fuller hair you desire. Join me as I challenge you, yes, I said you, to use these 3 essential tips consistently. Yes, consistency is going to be the key word in this video. Many people struggle with slow hair growth due to factors like their diet, their hair routine, and environmental influences. As you can see here, my client has been experiencing some hair loss. She does have some significant hair loss in the front, at the top, and around her edges. But through this hair growth journey, we are going to grow her hair back, and I'm going to show you 3 essential tips that I use when I'm doing her hair and that she is using at home. So did you know that the average person loses about 50 to 100 hair strands a day? Yes, that's quite a bit of hair loss. However, you can grow your hair at the same time while you are managing your hair loss. So don't forget to subscribe to this video for more hair care tips, and let me know in the comments below which of these tips you find to be the most helpful. So let's jump into this video. A healthy scalp is super essential for healthy hair growth. So let's talk about how to promote a healthy scalp. You can start by using gentle sulfate-free shampoos. Yes, sulfate-free shampoos reduces the risk of stripping your natural hair oils from your hair. That is something that you do not want to do. The other thing is definitely moisturizing your hair. As you can see here, I'm going to be using our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter is our all natural organic hair growth product. Yes, it is packed with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is packed with essential oils like tea tree oil, peppermint oil, argan oil, avocado oil, just to name a few. It is packed with all the essential oils that you need to promote hair growth. And along with these other tips that I'm going to share with you today, I guarantee you, you can start promoting hair growth immediately. So, as you know, moisturizing is super important to having a healthy scalp. Also, reducing stress is important to promoting a healthy scalp. Sometimes we don't think that stress affects our body as much as it does, but not only does stress affect our body, but it also affects our hair as well. So try to stress less. Things that you can do to help reduce stress is meditation and exercising. Exercising is essential for reducing stress, and again, meditation as well. For my stress reliever, I do dancing. Dancing is how I relieve the stress and the tension that, we as people experience on a regular basis. There are always going to be different things that happen in our lives that cause stress, but again, we need to find those stress relievers that we can do to reduce that stress, that so that way we can promote a healthier scalp. So again, using sulfate free shampoos, relieving stress, and also doing head and scalp massages. Yes, massages help stimulate your hair follicles. It increases blood flow and it stimulates hair growth. This is a very simple yet effective technique that you can do yourself, you can do at home, you can do it anytime, and it makes a big difference in promoting hair length and hair health. So as you can see, as I am applying our hair growth butter, I'm massaging it into her scalp as well as into her hair. I'm using circular motions and I'm going around in a circle to do that promotion to stimulate her hair follicles. So, as you can see here in the video, I'm starting to do her hair pattern. I'm saying hair pattern because normally we say braid pattern. Well, in this video, I'm not going to do a braid pattern, but I'm going to do what I call my twist method. And I started doing this twist method with all my clients, and especially those who have hair loss, because I want to reduce as much tension and pulling on their hair as possible. But with that hair growth, with that massage, and with the moisturizing, that I just did with her hair, and using this new twist method that I'm going to be doing on her hair, which is again going to reduce any pulling and any tension on her very fragile hair. This is going to help promote hair growth as well. We want to save our hair, ladies. We want to promote hair growth and not hair loss. So, again, incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can start seeing a significant improvement in your hair length and in your overall health. The most effective tip that I can say, other than massaging, is moisturizing. Because if your hair is dry and brittle, it's definitely going to break. You don't want your hair to get dry and brittle at no point, even when you have your protective styles, ladies. Remember to go in and moisturize your hair. We do have our hair growth oil. Yes, we have our G&G hair growth oil, which is very essential when you are wearing certain protective styles, because sometimes you can't get into those areas with your hair growth butter, but you can definitely use the hair growth oil, which is easier to use, especially with your protective styles. If you have a lace front wig, if you have a lace front, whether it's a frontal or whether it's a closure, you can use those hair growth oil and it will soak through that lace and penetrate so that you can still be moisturizing your scalp with those hair protective hairstyles. So again, you can purchase our G&G hair growth oil. You can tap the link in the description below. It will take you to our website and you can purchase our G&G hair growth oil, or you can use any oil of your own choice. Just make sure that you are moisturizing your scalp. And as you can see, I'm giving you a closer look to the twist method that I did in her hair. And as you can see, it's very loose. It's going to be very easy for her to take down, and again, most important, it reduces the tension and the pulling and any stress on her hair. The other protective method that I'm going to share with you that can help hair growth is always using a hair cap or a hair net with your protective styles. Yes, when you are getting your hair weaves, when you're getting crochets, whatever the style is, if you can use a protective cap or a net, that reduces any pulling, any tension, and any weight on your natural hair. So as you can see here with this style that I'm going to be doing on my client, I'm using this protective cap because I'm going to be crocheting on the cap and not her natural hair. That way she doesn't have any weight or any pulling on her natural hair, as it is already very fragile. If you have not seen this lace part cap, you can purchase this as well on our website. Click the link in the description below. As you can see, this cap already comes with a net attached for your part. This is super essential. This cap is very durable. I love it because it already has the lace part there. So again, in this video, the three major tips that I shared with you is one, massaging hair and scalp. Two, making sure that you are moisturizing your hair. And three, using a protective cap. So again, use these tips. I challenge you, and I guarantee you with these tips, you can grow longer, healthier hair. Try it today. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and smash that bell so that you can see all the new videos that I upload. Because yes, I upload new videos every single week.